am Master Dhruv from Standard 7 standing before you to lead today's assembly. So, as the day has been begin, so not today's day and date, I would like to call Avni Revankar from grade 1st to tell today's day and date.
Good morning all of you. Myself Avni Revankar. I am tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Saturday. Today's date is 28th September 2024. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Avni. Good thought refreshes our mind. So, now today's good thought, I would like to call Siddhi Apras from grade 2nd.
Good morning all of you. My name is Shraddha from Standard 2nd to tell today's thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, meaning you will never know that could have been. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Siddhi. History tells us what was happened on this day. So, now today's history of the day, I would like to call Gira Sawan from grade 7. Very precious morning to one and all present over here. Myself, Gira Sawan from grade 7 to tell today's history of the day. First, World Maritime Day. Second, World Rabies Day. Third, International Night to Know Day. Fourth, in 2018, the Arctic shipping lane was opened due to ice melts. Cargo ship completes the journey. Fifth, in 1924, the first flight over the world was but not complete till 27,500 mile journey. Thank you and have a nice day. Idiom makes you to speak more fluently in English. So to know today's idiom, I would like to call Anand Murthy from grade 5th.
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Anand from 5th class to tell today's idiom. The best of both worlds, meaning good in every way. Sentence. Having my best friend is the best of two worlds. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Anand. Every day we learn a new word, that is vocabulary. So to tell today's vocabulary, I would like to call Aradhya Sutar from grade 5th.
Good morning everyone, myself Aradhya from class 2. I am present here to tell you today's vocabulary. Today's vocabulary word is fancy. I repeat my word, fancy. I spell my word, F-A-N-C-Y. It means imagine, sentence. For a time he had fancied that he had got first rank in term 1 exam. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Aradhya. Now it's time to wrap up our assembly. So I declare that assembly is over. And thank you everyone for your wonderful cooperation.